Welcome back to Carolina Saltwater Living, y'all. This morning I am going to take the Kubota mini excavator KX033-4. That's what I make a living with, that in the Kubota L2501 DT tractor. That's what I use to make a living with down here at the coast so that we can afford to go fishing. Today I am working on a lot that's just right down the road from our house. So it's nice, don't even have to load up, just track down there. We'll try to get you some shots from outside of the cab. That way you can see the work going on. It's just some brush removal, using a small bucket to do that. And I'm thankful to have my Epic water filter bottle here that keeps my water nice and clean as I'm out here working. Guys, thanks for stopping in. Let's get to work. I've got to cross a ditch down here, and I'll show you how I do that. There's no tile in, no culvert. First, I don't want to damage the road, so I'll track myself over here. This is going to be fun. Put my boom down, go across. Spin my boom around this way. Power lines overhead, gotta be careful. Pick myself up a little. Push myself over. I'm not gonna lose my camera equipment. Now, I'm on the man's lot. I bush hogged this yesterday, but today we'll clear some brush out. Go back here and get the camera set up and let you watch from the outside. told y'all, I hate grapevines. I love grapes, but I hate grapevines, digging them up, pulling them off the trees, just tangle everything up, pain in the posterior. But it's got to be done. It's a lot. All I'm doing right here is cleaning this thing up so the man can see what he bought, because it was not accessible. You couldn't walk through here for all the potential hazards that may be in here. I'm talking snakes. Plus, it was just a jungle. The tractor did a good job cleaning it up yesterday, bush hogging, but the man said, I want a little bit more. Sent him some pictures. I said, I can put the excavator on it, clear some of the smaller stuff, grapevines, so you can get a surveyor in. So that's what I've been doing, just cleaning it up. And I'm not going too far on the back side because I'd like for there to be a survey before I clear somebody else's property. That's a no-no. I love that stumps come out pretty doggone easy down here in this sand. These grapevines, these things, driving me crazy. It's just a maple stump. The only reason I took it out because it's in the way of these big trees. You'll have somebody coming. You've got to cut them down from the top down because there's so many power lines and houses around it. And that's not something I do, nor do I ever care to do. Found a little bit of trash out here, some old drain tiles, tire, some metal on the back side, so I just left that in place. I'm going to focus now on cleaning up the interior of this lot. The grapevines, whatever the kind of jungle brush is in here. Jungle brush. I've never heard that. I think that's a new one for me. I titled this video, Cleaning Up Jungle Brush. Alright, this job's at a stopping point until the man gets a survey. He can get in here now and see what he has. He's a home builder, so he'll be able to come in here and get an idea for what he wants to build, what else he needs to take out. Still a lot of work to be done on this lot to make it build ready. But that's all I got for today. So guys, y'all have a good day and a great week, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. Calling for a lot of rain. We will see you on the next one.